Hello to all the viewers. In this video we will see how to work with OpenCV. That is very powerful platform, very powerful library for digital image and video processing. For image processing, for video processing, for multimedia based research implementations, generally there are the usage of MATLAB, Scilab, Octave. More than 200 platforms are available, but what is the major issue with MATLAB and other platforms? That is, those platforms are proprietary. MATLAB is proprietary. We have to pay for the toolboxes, and many times it is seen that the researchers, the academicians take the pirated copy of MATLAB. So obviously that is not a good approach. That is unethical as well as illegal to have the pirated copy. So rather than working on the pirated copy of MATLAB, either they can go for the proprietary copy for the subscription, or the alternate is OpenCV. Okay, in this video we will see different features of OpenCV platform and how to work with that, and in this we will see how to extract real-time features from webcam. So OpenCV is fully free and fully free and open source. It is available in free distribution. There is no need to pay anything. Thousands of algorithms are already written in OpenCV. If you are working on face recognition, biometric applications, image segmentation, image watermarking, digital video fragmentation, or video security, each and everything is available in OpenCV, and so many interfaces are available. You can see that in Python, Java, MATLAB, Octave. So even if you are comfortable in Java, you can program OpenCV in Java also. If you are comfortable in Python, then OpenCV can be programmed in Python. So it's up to you. But its base is C++. Its primary interface is in C++, but at the upper level it can be used by multiple programming language in form of APIs. And these are the application areas which are already integrated in OpenCV. So if you are working on 2D 3D feature toolkits, ego motion estimation, robotic applications, mobile robots, motion understanding, so many things are available. Okay, now in next few moments I will tell you how to work with Harris Corner feature points extraction in real time from webcam. So in very few lines of code you will see the very effective implementation using OpenCV. So whosoever is in front of the webcam, the real-time feature points will be extracted. Okay, so you can see that, and now I'm coming to that part of implementation. So you can see that this is the code. So and this code is written in Python. Its base syntax is in Python, and you can see that in only few lines of code we are able to implement Harris Corner algorithm. So you can see that we have imported NumPy. After that OpenCV2. CV2 is for OpenCV. Okay, and in fourth line you can see that CV2.video capture. Automatically this particular function will capture the video from this particular camera index. Okay, and while true, it means till it is getting the video in front of the camera. So whosoever is in front of the camera, or till that time when camera is on, it will keep on recording the video. And then you can see that single line of code, only in one line, Harris Corner function, Harris Corner algorithm will be implemented. So there is no need to write the complete implementation of Harris Corner. It is available by default in OpenCV. So in same way there are so many algorithms. So I am executing this code. You can see that in Harris Corner webcam. So this is the code, and I am sitting in front of the camera, and you will see that my feature points. These are my feature points. So as you can see that I am moving, so you can see that different edges, and so whosoever is in front of the camera, the feature points will be extracted. Okay, so by this way, what we can do, we can go for the criminal identification, we can go for the object identification, we can go for the suspects recognition. Okay, and you can see that very good projects can be programmed, can be worked out. Okay, if we make some very simple modifications, suppose I want to print this, so print dst, and now along with the real-time features, the features will be displayed also. Now you can see that at back end, my feature points, the corner based feature points are extracted in real time. Okay, so as you can see that I am moving from at different points, different regions, so my feature points are also getting changed at the back end. Okay, so by this way we can work with very good implementations of computer vision using OpenCV. Thank you very much.